Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a moss jar prop. I use this a lot of time with my photography, especially if I'm doing a fantasy still life. So what you need is different color, or actually different type of moss from any craft store. And any type of jar you want. I went with this simple one that just the lid closes on. And I said, this one's a relatively easy one. You do want to lay out paper because even with the paper laid out, I still made a mess with the moss. And as I said, it's just basically pulling the moss apart and stacking it how you want to. I like to use different types of moss. I just think it makes the jar look more interesting. So we'll just slide that more into frame so you guys can see. So I have some yellow moss, some really dried up looking moss. This yellow moss I got off of Etsy, and the other two, this one I got from, I think, actually these two I got from Dollar Tree. And you get a lot of moss, so you just want to pack it in there and take a look to see how it's looking from all sides. You always, no matter how you do your jars, will end up with one section that looks better than the other. So whenever that happens, you just want to take, and the ugly side you want to use as your label. This is very quick and easy. We're almost done. And it's just a matter of stacking and packing down in the jar. Some of my jars I do glue down the lids down on because I do have pets who are very nosy and like to get into things. But for this one, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to push it, make sure I have all my moss in there. And you also kind of want to make it look full. And I'm going to push it down. Kind of run my hand around the outer edge. And here is our moss jar. And as I said, this I would use like if I was making a still life for a witch's brew, or a I guess even it could be on an ingredient shelf. As you can see here, this section's really not overly interesting looking. But if I turn it over here, I have all the nice different colors and textures. So this, if I was going to put a label on this, I would put it on this side. I haven't really decided yet. Some of my jars I do leave labels off of because I want you to be able to see what it all looks like on the inside. But this is the side I definitely would not put the label on.